You are listening to SO Music.
Sana'y di na lang kita linigawan nung muna kitang makita. Di ko napigilan, agad kita linapitan na tinanong ko ang iyong pangalan. Hindi ko inasahan na ganitong marating. Sa oras na minahal kita, ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali. Sana di na lang kita nakilala, 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 sana di na lang kita nakilala. Say that I'm tripping every time I catch you frontin'. What was I supposed to think when you can look me in the eye? I don't need a lot of text to determine you were lying. When you told me he was just a friend, I found out he was more than that. I can't believe that you've been doing this behind my back. We should've never met at all, and knew that you was bad. I'm only big up for a minute, now you found somebody else. Damn, what really hurts is that he's been into a bed. Sa oras na minahal kita, ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali. Sana di na lang kita nakilala, 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 sana di na lang kita nakilala.
Sana'y hindi na lang kita nakilala pa, nang di na nasaktan at umasang liligaya pa. Ang buhay ko na'y naakala kong ikaw na nga, magbibigay na liwanag sa lungkot na nadarama. Yung pala'y ikaw rin lang ang siyang sisira sa mga pangakong sinumpaan nating dalawa. Sana'y hindi na lang kita nilapitan pa, nang hindi na sana ako nagluluksa.
Sa oras na minahal kita, ang pinakamalaking pagkakamali.